In this video, we will be discussing the different shipping method Logz.io has to offer and how to choose the best one for you. Logz.io offers a variety of shippers and technologies for shipping logs to your account. Choosing the best shipping method is key for your success. So what is the best method used for shipping? It depends on the technologies you're using. Different services handle logging differently, which is why we offer a variety of shipping methods in the first place. When choosing a shipping method, you will most likely never find one shipping method that works best for your entire environment. You will typically want to look for a combination of methods that will produce the results you want. Finding a single method may not be ideal because there are so many types of logs you ship. Let's break down the major ways you can ship logs to Logz.io. Note that we're constantly updating and adding more shipping integrations over time. So the first method would be using a log shipper, such as Filebeat, Fluentd, and Logstash. Ship directly from the applications, so if you have a CI/CD tool, orchestration tool, or directly from your server. From different AWS applications. You can use the libraries to ship directly from your code. You can use our Docker images, and you can also ship from Azure. Let's look into their unique advantages. If you do not have control over your code, or if you have products or solutions that write to log files, you may use a log shipper to send these files to your Logz.io account. The advantages of using a log shippers are they support multiple sources, you can have multiple log types, and you can have different patterns. Our recommended shipper for this case would be Filebeat. More details will be provided in the Filebeat section of this course. If you intend to ship server logs such as Apache, Nginx, IIS, and so on, or if you want to monitor your deployments using Jenkins, you can ship the logs using a combination of Filebeat or an rsyslog setup. Each integration page contains a detailed walkthrough on how to ship the logs to Logz.io. If you're shipping logs to your own S3 bucket or want to ship logs from CloudWatch, they can be shipped to Logz.io with the following advantages. The bucket is yours and you can keep the data in it for as long as you require, especially good for services offered by Amazon, ideal for services that write frequently in a consistent format, and our system fetches the log every 1 minute. You can also ship the logs using our Lambda shipper, which is more real-time compared to S3 since it will ship based on your CloudWatch logging rate. It does not require to provide your IAM keys as all configuration are done on your side. And the shipper is written in Python, so it offers more flexibility in case you want to have more control over what's being shipped to Logz.io. If you have control over your code, you can ship directly from the code itself to Logz.io by adding one of our appenders. Appenders have the following advantages. They support stack traces. You have more parsed data out of the box. Whenever you deploy a code, logs will be shipped to Logz.io without needing extra configuration. You can use one of our Docker shippers if you are containerizing logs, which has the following advantages. Easily configurable in a Docker environment, listen on the std out of all Docker instances on the host, and forward the logs to Logz.io. There are some things to consider before choosing a Docker shipper. It does not support multi-line, so every line will be logged separately. You cannot filter what is sent to Logz.io. You may filter container types, but not what gets logged from individual containers. The Azure serverless page will tell you how to ship logs from your Azure services to Logz.io. At the end of this process, your Azure function will forward logs from an Azure Event Hub to your Logz.io account.